This is a very interesting and very insightful show, and we are very excited to start business and collaboration with the Turkey companies.
I think this meeting is very good for building a new relationship and for business matching and to find a new principal or new partners.
We're blown away. We're surprised actually. The fact that they are in par with the world's best, we were really impressed. We're really thankful, and hopefully we will see another event like this again in the future.
With regards to the Turkish products, we're quite impressed that the prices are reasonable. It's great to know that there are organic and natural products also from Turkey, not just US.
High-end products, European level yung quality ng mga products. Pasok sa Philippine market with affordable prices.
At this time, I see about 10 products I invested in. First time, small volume, but I hope in the future maybe the big volume.
Cosmeet serimizin Asya ayağında Filipinler'deyiz. 18 Türk firmamızla 300'den fazla toplantı icra ettik. Bizi izlemeye devam edin.